The pros and cons of starting an affiliate marketing business. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. If you're considering starting an affiliate marketing business, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. So, let's get started with the pros and cons of starting an affiliate marketing business. Let's begin with the advantages of starting an affiliate marketing business. 1. Flexible lifestyle. One of the biggest perks of affiliate marketing is the flexibility it offers. As an affiliate marketer, you have the freedom to work from anywhere, be it the comfort of your own home or your favorite coffee shop. You can set your own hours and enjoy a flexible lifestyle that suits your needs. 2. Low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, starting an affiliate marketing business requires a minimal upfront investment. There's no need to worry about inventory, shipping, or product creation. You can get started with just a website, quality content, and an affiliate partnership. 3. Unlimited earning potential. Affiliate marketing allows you to tap into a vast pool of potential customers. With the right strategies and effective promotion, your earning potential is virtually unlimited. As you build your audience and establish trust, you can earn passive income from multiple sources and scale your business. 4. Diverse product selection. As an affiliate marketer, you have the freedom to choose from a wide range of products and services to promote. You can explore different niches and find those that align with your interests and audience. This flexibility allows you to constantly adapt and find lucrative opportunities in the ever-evolving market. Now that we've covered the pros, let's discuss the challenges you may encounter when starting an affiliate marketing business. 1. Intense competition. Affiliate marketing is a popular field, which means you'll face intense competition from other marketers. It can be challenging to stand out amidst the noise and capture the attention of your target audience. However, with a well-defined strategy, quality content, and effective marketing tactics, you can overcome this hurdle. 2. Dependency on affiliate programs. Your success as an affiliate marketer relies heavily on the affiliate programs you choose to partner with. While there are numerous reputable programs available, there is always a level of dependency. Changes in commission rates, program policies, or even termination of partnerships can affect your income stream. It's essential to diversify your affiliate partnerships and build a strong foundation for long-term sustainability. 3. Fluctuating income. Unlike a steady paycheck, affiliate marketing income can be variable and subject to market fluctuations. Factors such as seasonality, changes in consumer behavior, or market trends can impact your earnings. It's crucial to plan and budget accordingly to manage the potential ups and downs. 4. Continuous learning and adaptation. The world of affiliate marketing is dynamic and ever-changing. To stay ahead of the game, you need to continuously learn, adapt, and refine your strategies. This includes staying updated with industry trends, mastering new marketing techniques, and keeping a pulse on your target audience's preferences. And there you have it, the pros and cons of starting an affiliate marketing business. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential rewards are worth it. As with any business venture, careful consideration, planning, and continuous effort are key to success in the world of affiliate marketing. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that the cons should not discourage you from pursuing your affiliate marketing dreams. With determination, perseverance, and the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges and build a thriving online business. In conclusion, starting an affiliate marketing business offers tremendous opportunities for flexibility, low startup costs, unlimited earning potential, and a diverse product selection. However, it's important to be aware of the intense competition, dependency on affiliate programs, fluctuating income, and the need for continuous learning and adaptation. To thrive in the affiliate marketing landscape, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Build trust, establish yourself as an authority, and consistently provide value. Stay updated with industry trends and leverage various marketing channels to expand your reach. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is not an overnight achievement. It requires dedication, patience, and a long-term perspective. But with passion, hard work, and a growth mindset, you can turn your affiliate marketing business from zero to hero. Now, let's address some common questions about affiliate marketing. 1. How long does it take to start earning money as an affiliate marketer? The timeline for earning money as an affiliate marketer varies depending on various factors such as your niche, marketing strategies, audience engagement, and competition. It may take several months of consistent effort and building a solid foundation before seeing significant results. 2. What are the best ways to promote affiliate products? There are several effective ways to promote affiliate products, including creating informative blog posts, producing engaging videos, leveraging social media platforms, running email marketing campaigns, and collaborating with influencers in your niche. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for your audience. 3. How do I choose the right affiliate programs to join? When choosing affiliate programs, consider factors such as product relevance to your niche, commission rates, program reputation, affiliate support, and payment terms. Research and read reviews to ensure you partner with reputable programs that align with your values and audience. 4. Is it necessary to have a website for affiliate marketing? While having a website is not mandatory for affiliate marketing, it provides a valuable platform for content creation, audience engagement, and building credibility. A website allows you to showcase your expertise, promote affiliate products, and establish a strong online presence. 5. Can I do affiliate marketing part-time? Absolutely. Many affiliate marketers start as a side hustle while maintaining other commitments. However, it's important to allocate dedicated time and effort to your affiliate marketing business to ensure steady progress and growth. And that wraps up our video on the pros and cons of starting a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes with passion, perseverance, and continuous learning. So, take action, stay motivated, and watch your online business soar to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments down below. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.